Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel DevTube. So today I am going to do the second video of my unboxing series, and I will unbox today the new Kindle 10th Gen edition. So I recently bought this product from Amazon during the Prime Day sale. I got this product at a discounted price of 6,500 along with some bank discount. Usually this product retails at around 8,000, but very happy to have this product at such a discounted price. So it's a very popular ebook reader across the globe, and this is the new 10th Gen edition, which has a lot of cool features that were missing in the earlier generations. Firstly, it is a lot thinner and lighter. Then it has this built-in light, an adjustable front light that lets you read comfortably for hours even during the night. Also, it has got a very good high contrast display that makes you read this Kindle like a real paper. Then you can highlight passages, look up definitions, adjust the text size, translate words, all you can do without ever leaving the page. And you can get access to thousands of materials and to bestsellers and releases at just one click. So with this ebook reader, you can take your library along with you anywhere you want, and this is the must-have gadget for anyone who loves to read. So let's get started and unbox this cool product. So the packaging is quite good. It looks very light in hand, and the way this product has been packaged looks very cool. So from here I need to unbox this, but before unboxing let me just read quite a few things. So as you can see, try to show this. So as you can see, MRP is 8,000 rupees, and this is the new Kindle 10th edition where I get this built-in light. Version is not having the LTE support, it only has the Wi-Fi. But higher price models has few additional features, like it has got LTE support where you can insert the SIM card and access the 4G. The higher price models also has a waterproof resistance, which this starting model doesn't have. But then again, it's the 10th generation Kindle, so there are like lot of cool features that are available in the starting model as well. So for that I am getting this built-in light, and I'm having this 167 ppi high contrast display. Display size is around 6 inches and the memory support is 8 GB. Also the battery is quite good. With a single full charge it will last for weeks and not hours, so that is another very cool thing. And overall the product looks very smooth in hand. It's sleek, it's simple. So without wasting any further time, let's unbox this and see how the product looks from inside. So I will just open this thing quickly. So this I've got. Packaging is quite good. It is very nicely showing the Kindle logo, and there is this picture of a little boy reading the book under a tree. So nicely done graphics. Backside has nothing, so I will just pull out this. So this is a USB cable, and just let me read out what are the contents here in this Kindle. So I will be getting this Kindle e-reader and the USB cable, and I will just open this part. Wow, it looks great. So this is the Kindle. So along with the Kindle model and the USB cable, I have got these traditional things as well. So these are mainly user guides, and you can give it a quick read before you start using the Kindle. So I've ordered the white version. You can get the same model in black as well. I will just open this thing. So the first impression of holding this Kindle is very nice. It has got a premium finish at the back, and this is the front where nicely the Kindle logo is being displayed. So one specialty of this new generation Kindle is lack of any edge between the main screen and the boundaries. So there is no edge between these two portions, and this helps a lot because if you want to wipe your Kindle, then having no edge will certainly help in having the cleanliness mode. So it's very thin, very light, and very premium to hold. So that's another very good thing about this generation of Kindle. So let me start this. So this is the power button, as you can see, which you need to press to on the Kindle, and this is a USB port where you need to plug in the USB cable for charging the Kindle. So I will be turning on the Kindle with this power button. See, I have pressed, and then I can see the Kindle has turned on. So I need to set up my account. Okay, so it says like set the language. So I will be setting the language to English, and then it says get started. So I will click onto this get started. So guys, I have done the basic setup of my Kindle. This is the home screen that I got after registering the Kindle with my Amazon Prime account. I downloaded few books from the Kindle store just to give you a walkthrough on how to use this Kindle.
So as you can see, this Kindle specially has 3 pins. So on the left hand side there is this library. So this is yours library, where all the books that you are downloading from the Amazon store will be stored here, and you will be accessing this library frequently to go through the different books to read. So next you have this reading list, and at the last you have this pane as recommendations from the Amazon based on the type of books you are reading, or the type of wish list you have, or the type of books you order. So it gives recommendations based on your preferences. So as you can see, you have this top page turners. Then if you scroll down a bit below, you are having like most wished for Kindle books. So it gives all sort of recommendations. At the top, as you can see, this is the status bar where it shows Devan's Kindle. So you need to give a name to this Kindle and it will show like this. Then you have this Wi-Fi button, you have the battery status indicator as well as the time. Next, the bar has 5 different options, as you can see. So it has home, then the back, then settings, then goodreads and store. Also you can search for any book directly from here. So just to give a quick walkthrough on these options. So home is a button through which you can come to this home screen from anywhere. Back is itself self-explanatory. Settings is also there. So if I click onto the settings, you can see like there are 3 options mainly that is coming. One is the airplane mode, where you can turn off the Wi-Fi and again switch it back. Then you have this sync your Kindle option, where you can sync your Kindle with the account that you are having. And then there is this all settings page. Now if I go quickly to this all settings page, you can see there are a lot of different options. Your account as the first option, where it says registered user Devan. So I have registered this particular account already, and that's the first step that you need to do while setting up your Kindle. You need to register this Kindle with the Amazon account. Most of the options can stay default. Under this device info option, you can see the MAC addresses or the serial number. You can also get to see how much space is available. Next, you can set a password to protect the content of your Kindle. Then you can set your device time here. Then you can restart your Kindle, and in the advanced settings if you go, then you have this few options which I will suggest you to keep it default. Okay, now if I go to the back option, no more options I think is necessary to change, and you can keep that as default. Now next I will go to this Goodreads option. So this is completely optional. If you want, you can set up an account in Goodreads. It will basically help you to check what your friends are reading, and you can exchange between your friends about the type of book that you are reading or how well the book is. So it's kind of a social platform for Kindle readers. So if you want, you can register the same. And next you can go to the store option. So in store you will get different options. So for Prime users, you can get a lot of free books to read. If you have a subscription in Kindle Unlimited, it's similar to Netflix or Amazon Prime on a monthly subscription basis. It costs around 169 of rupees per month, and if you have that subscription, then you can get access to tons of materials there. So at a time you can add a maximum of 10 books in your library through Kindle Unlimited. So if you want to add any other book, then you must return at least 1 book. So here, based on the type of books you are reading, it gives suggestions. So let's say if I want to download any book in my Kindle, so how I can do, I just need to select to this book icon, and then I can see it's showing this option. So this is the Kindle price. So one big advantage of using Kindle is that whatever good books are there, and if you want to buy it out, then you can get at a lot cheaper price through Kindle. So as you can see, the retail list price is something around 370, but again from Kindle perspective it's cheaper. So you're saving around 90 rupees, which comes to around 28% of saving. Or if you are having Prime account, then go to this option and you can see Prime reading. You will get lot of books for free to read. So if I go to this option Prime reading, if I go to this literature and fiction, if let's say I want to read this Harry Potter book, see there is no price option there. So I just need to do this download, and if I do the download, let me do that as well. So it will take some time to download, and then I will see in my library this book has been installed. So this is all about how you can buy the books. Now next, the most important thing and the last thing is to how to read the book in Kindle. Read any book, I need to go to my library section, and as you can see, I have installed a few books already. So if I go to this library section, you can see Kindle has given me 2 user guides. So you can refer to these guides to know more about the Kindle and its various features. So let's say I want to read this Ikigai. Okay, now as you can see, this book has opened. So I will just quickly show you a few quick things that you need to know while reading any particular book from Kindle. So the first thing is, like, if you need to go to the next page, you just need to do a tap on the right hand side to go to the next page. So if I tap, you can see I went to the next page. And similarly, if you want to go to the previous page, you just need to give a tap on the left hand side. So this is the first thing that you should know. Next, let's say you want to go to any specific chapter. Okay, so you just need to tap it here, and if you tap at the top, then you will get this option where you can go to, and in go to you can see you can go to any chapters as you want directly from here. So let's say if I want to go to this chapter 4, see, I went to the chapter 4. So you can switch to different chapters through this option. Again, you need to tap it here, and with a single tap at the top, you can see you can go to the home screen again, you can go to the settings and all those options that we went through initially. So next, what I need you guys to know is, like, if you want to change the font size, okay, so you need to go here, you can see you are getting 4 different options. So I can change this theme. So you can see a small icon is also given, which is itself quite self-explanatory of the way the theme will look. So as of now I have kept this custom theme, but then again, if you do standard, then the line spacing will increase. For compact, the line spacing will decrease. So next, you can go to the font. So you will get like few options to change the font. You can change that to any of the font that you want. So if I go to back, then I have this bold option. Now if I increase the bold, as you can see, the words are getting bolder. So I will change that to the default one. And also you can increase the size of the words. So if I start pressing on this button, as you can see, words are getting bigger. Then I will next go to the layout, and as you can see, the icons that are there for the layout are pretty self-explanatory. So you can change the orientation, margin, spacing and alignment as per your choice. And then if I go to this more section, you can see there are some additional options as well. So this is all about the settings that you can do while reading. So let's say this is the page that you want to bookmark. So for that, just you need to again tap at the top, and then you get this option to bookmark. If you click into these options, you can see this bookmark has been added. Also here you have this thing where it will show some stats, like how much minutes are left to read this book completely. And if you tap again here, then you can check the location that you are in for this particular book. And again, if you tap once more, it will show nothing. And again, if you tap, then it will show the page number of the book. So next, while reading, the most important thing is you might get stuck at a particular word and might want to look up the dictionary for the same. So how to do that? So let's say you are stuck in this particular word, buttons. So you just need to tap on this particular word, and if you do a tap and release, then it will automatically show you the dictionary where you will get the meaning of that particular word. So as you can see, it's showing the meaning of button. Okay, next you can highlight this particular word as well. So for that, you need to select the highlight. Okay, and if you highlight, it will come like this. So at a later point of time, if you want to see all your highlights, the place where you need to go is, you just need to click at the top and then go to, then you need to click here on the notes section. As you can see, your highlights are there. So next, if you want to highlight few lines, then how to do that? Place your finger like this and just scroll your finger till the line you want to highlight. Just release your finger, so it will be highlighted. Okay, so this highlight has been done. You just need to tap it once more anywhere in the screen just to release the bar. So I will turn off this Kindle, and for that I need to press this power button. It will give me screensaver and the Kindle will go to sleep mode.
So guys, I have shown you the unboxing of the Kindle and how it looks after the initial setup. So that's pretty much from my side. I hope you guys like this video, and if you want to see more such videos, so please support me. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.